A blockchain address is a one-of-a-kind combination of letters and numbers that operates in a manner very similar to that of an email address. Because it can only be used once, it is a one-time destination on the network to which digital currency can be sent. This destination can only be used once. Every time a person is to receive cryptocurrency, it is proposed that a new address be generated for them to use. Let's say you owe some money to your friend Bob, who wants you to pay it back in the form of Bitcoin by using the wallet app already installed on his mobile phone. Bob uses his wallet app to generate a new and one-of-a-kind Bitcoin address, which he then shares with you so that you can send him Bitcoin specifically for this occasion. You are now in possession of Bob's one-of-a-kind address in which you can send him the money owed. Once the transaction has been confirmed, Bob will have full access to the money to be spent or used in any way he wishes. The only way a person can spend cryptocurrency twice is if they happen to reuse an address that has already been used elsewhere on the network. Once the transaction is complete, the old address will be removed from circulation and forgotten altogether. This ensures that once a person has been given an address, they will only use it for one transaction. If a person reuses an address already used, their wallet app and the whole blockchain network will recognize this as double spending. Like most addresses used today at the internet level, a blockchain address comprises numbers and letters. How to create a Bitcoin blockchain address? You can generate a Bitcoin blockchain address by depositing funds into a digital wallet. This wallet will store your data encryption information and produce a unique alphanumeric key each time a transaction is made before the funds can be spent. How to set up a crypto wallet to receive the Bitcoin address? Before you do anything else, you need to decide which cryptocurrency wallet will work best for you. The choice may be influenced by several aspects, which will be covered in greater depth in the conclusion, such as the desired level of protection, personal preferences regarding purchasing, the purpose of the item, etc. Begin by looking for the wallet of your choice. You can find optimized applications of the most popular web-based and software wallets for Android and iOS, allowing you to use it on your mobile phone if that is how you want to use it. Regarding desktop use, some wallets, like MetaMask, offer a browser extension to their users. In contrast, others, like Atomic and Exodus, call for users to download their respective applications. After downloading and installing, most web-based wallets, including Binance and Coinbase, amongst others, will request that you create an account before allowing you to store cryptocurrency tokens. In the case of certain pieces of a software wallet, you won't need to create an account to use the wallet. You will, however, be given a recovery phrase that contains 12 out of 24 words. This expression serves as a backup for the assets that you have stored. There is no way to get it back if you lose it or let it get forgotten. Therefore, please write it down someplace that will help you remember it. Now, you need to come up with a secure password. You should use more than just a name or a simple phrase. Instead, you should use a random sequence of alphabets, numbers, and special characters, for example, R0M33A, to ensure the highest possible level of security. Fingerprint locks are an option that can be utilized on mobile phones by the user. You can now deposit Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency into your wallet, but to do so, you will need a Bitcoin blockchain address. Your wallet is now ready for use. You can now send funds to any other address or recipient. It is recommended that you back up your wallet via a recovery phrase since losing or forgetting it will result in losing your assets. How to use a Bitcoin address? Now that you have obtained a Bitcoin blockchain address, you may be wondering how you should use it. There is no difference between the working model and the bank account number. When you want to receive payments from other people, you give them yours, and when you want to send money to them, you ask other people for theirs. Launch your Bitcoin wallet and sign in to receive payment using cryptocurrency. Proceed to the page where you can complete the transaction. This will vary from wallet to wallet, but in most cases, you can locate your Bitcoin receiving address underneath the button labeled Receive. Renew it to make certain that it is up to date. You are required to communicate this address in its entirety to the individual who is attempting to send you Bitcoin tokens. As soon as the other party verifies the transfer of funds to your address, you will be able to check the balance of your wallet in a matter of seconds. It is necessary to have the Bitcoin receiving address of the recipient to transfer BTC tokens to another wallet or account. You will then need to confirm the transfer after entering the desired amount, pasting the code into the app, and then copying it again. Depending on how much activity there is on the blockchain, the time it takes for a transaction to finish can range anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. Conclusion: cryptocurrency has become what it is thanks to its blockchain technology and the fact that any central authority doesn't own it, making it a great way for transactions. This is one of the primary benefits of using Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other form of cryptocurrency. While the idea behind creating a blockchain address may seem confusing at first, it will become more familiar as you begin to use it more frequently. You can now enjoy the benefits of Bitcoin and any other cryptocurrency by looking into different blockchain addresses.